think we're live. I think we're there.
It's still doing.
We have circle, but we're going to keep talking like you can see us already. We don't know. So we're just moving forward. Okay, so good Saturday to you. We are here in the office doing the last minute 1099 W-2 push. It's not due till Tuesday, but of course we want to get it done this weekend. This is Christina Rue from HLC Bookkeeping and Office Solutions, and this is
Krista Rue.
She's the boss. So we try to offer every Saturday between 2 and 2:15. We try to offer basically just a 10 to 15 minute little video, kind of talk about the questions we've had during the week or things that have come up that we think this week.
All right. So last week we talked about successful onboarding of clients, about the need to have a defined plan and to follow it.
Yes.
We also talked about...
We had a confessional.
Yeah, confessional.
For those of us who don't always have a plan to follow.
Who should, though. And the second topic we discussed were how to use the vendor transaction list for budgeting and 1099 double checking to make sure you didn't forget to check that 1099
because it's timely.
It is very timely. And then we also talked about how we partner with Zoom Energy for saving people on their electric and gas rates, because you can get a budget plan for 12 months or 24 months, which really helps in the budgeting process because you know exactly what you're going to pay.
Yep.
And then now to this week's topics.
Okay.
So you wanted to talk about the employee retention credit, some of the questions we're getting.
And this is brand new, just confirmed this morning on the webinar I did. I had people saying, well, I haven't even filed my taxes for those years, so I can't apply for the employee retention credit. Not true. Actually, remember, the employee retention credit is based on your payroll. So you've paid your payroll taxes. I hope so. If not, we have to have a conversation.
Yeah, we definitely.
And it's not going to be a pleasant one.
Yeah.
But basically, as long as you've paid your payroll taxes for those years, we can apply for the retention credit against those years.
Yeah, so if you're on a payment plan that has all those penalties and interest and they keep accruing even as you're paying, you can use the employee retention credit to go against that.
Yeah. So please
to get you out of that.
Yeah. So don't let that stop you. Even if you haven't filed your taxes yet, which in the long run might be better for you, because with the employee retention credit, you have to go back and change your taxes for 20 and 21 if you take the rebate, because it changes your income.
Right.
Then
for the business.
Yeah, for the business, or the profit for the business, I should say. So definitely, if you have questions about that, give us a call. This is a no judgment zone at HLC. Right. We know life happens. So if you're behind in your taxes, whatever,
let's just get you where you need to be.
Correct. And we work with a plethora of accounting firms all over Western Pennsylvania.
And they all have different specialties based on the reason they weren't filed.
Correct.
We can steer you in the right direction you need to talk to.
Yes. So never be embarrassed to talk to us about taxes filed, not filed, payment plans, whatever. We do it all here. It's no biggie. And we want you to succeed, so we need to get the foundations in place. And if things are a little bit chaotic in your life, let's help get them straight.
Let's organize it so you can move forward.
Let's do it.
That's right.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. And then you also said, we're getting calls about people who are like, hey, I'm comfortable saying I know what
that I qualify for sure, and that I don't really need you to do anything. Can I just go on the website and file for the ERC? Absolutely. At the bottom of every email I have, there's a link for you to go straight on and file it. And if not, you go to, where's my little cheat sheet? I'll get that for you. But basically, it's going to be, go ahead, talk, Krista.
Okay. Yeah, because the employee retention credit, you definitely one to be applying for that or seeing if you're eligible.
Mm-hmm.
It's worthwhile.
But there are steps that you have to check to see if you are eligible.
That's right.
And like if you want to do it yourself, you're allowed. You can do it yourself,
absolutely.
and we'll walk you through the process. And then you go to tax rebate specialists with an s.com/HLC bookkeeping. And then that'll take you to this website where you can go ahead and apply for yourself. So the only time that you need us in the mix is if you need us to do the analysis and run your reports and get all that organized. Right. But if you already have that, you don't need us. Just apply for the credit.
That's right.
Mm-hmm. So taxrebatespecialist.com/HLC bookkeeping. And that's our website.
Okay. All right. Excellent. Now, I think this has happened twice this week.
What?
We've had employers lose good employees because they cannot afford the health insurance, their portion of it.
Correct. Yeah. So there are health insurance packages that are available. You have to find out as an employer if you're locked into one of the big health insurers and you're not allowed to have a secondary plan, then you're stuck there. And it is what it is. Your employees can opt in and opt out, and that's that. But we do have on our what's it called? Impact
Health Share.
Impact Health Share. It's a health share plan, and we've talked about this before. Don't lose good employees over it. They can opt out of your plan and get a personal plan here, and we can talk about how that'll work. So why don't you, if you have questions about insurance and stuff, please feel free to give us a call. We work with people who sell insurance, so we can be a referral source for you. Again, don't be afraid to pick up that phone.
Right.
We will help you and direct you
to ask us a question.
Absolutely.
And get that off your mind. Get it off your task list.
Okay, let's talk about this. I have a sock on that keeps twisting. It annoys me. And every time I wear this sock, I'm like, I have to quit wearing this sock because it just keeps nagging. If you have a situation that keeps nagging, quit it. Call us. Ask us about it. Sometimes you just need a second opinion. And I can tell you, we don't hesitate with our opinions. We will freely give it to you. So just keep that in mind.
If we don't know, we'll refer you to
somebody who will. Exactly. So think about that. Again, it doesn't even have to be in our wheelhouse. We just know so many people because we're turning 18 this year, peeps. So, we've been around a while.
That's right.
But we look fabulous.
Hey, Bruce.
Yeah.
All right. And then our third topic is talking about corrected W-2s.
Okay. Yes. So corrected W-2s. If there's a mistake on an employee's W-2, there is a form called a W-2C that you have to fill out and give that employee. And if you've already given W-2s and then they have a question and said, hey, this isn't right, then we can go ahead and fix it. If the address is wrong, the social security number is wrong, whatever. If you haven't remitted it to the feds or the state yet, you can fix it and do a regular form and then send everything off correctly. But if you've remitted everything to the state and feds, you have to do the W-2C form. And you can get that through the IRS or other office supply places have it, QuickBooks, that sort of thing.
Staples, Office Max, they all have it. All right.
This is the first year ever I had to issue a W-2C. First year ever.
It happens because sometimes we all know people don't write clear, and sometimes if that looked like a 9.
Yeah,
in any other world, but it was really a 4.
No, but I was way off. I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Yeah. One mistake in 18 years is pretty good.
I will take it. All right. All right. So those were our 3 topics. And so again, our contact info for email is office@yourhlc.com. Our contact info for phone, 724-561 7460.
Correct.
And then our address, of course, is 513 Lowry Avenue, Jeanette. PA.
Correct. Yep. And remember, starting in February on Friday nights from 5 to 7, if you have interest in starting a new business, we're going to be talking to people about what you need to know to start a business. And we even have a business opportunity that might speak to you. So that's something else to think about.
That's right.
That's it.
That's it. I hope you are having a blessed weekend.
And we were a little bit late.
We were late.
We enjoyed our pizza too much.
Yes.
Because we were working and talking
I even
with
set
our
an
girls.
alarm and I just turned it off and
we just kept talking. Oh, good Lord.
I know.
Yeah, so happy Saturday to all of you, and we will see you next week. And remember, if you have questions, feel free to email us at office@yourhlc.com, or you can go ahead and phone 724-561-7460, Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5. And remember, Friday, Saturdays by appointment. Is that everything? I did it. I did it right. Yay me.
All right. See you next week.
All right. Have a blessed day.
Here.
Where's my mouse, sir? Is that it?
That's
yeah, there it is. Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Have a great day.